Welcome back. Today I will build a Macropad from YMDK. They didn't sponsor me, but I bought this Macropad a couple weeks ago. So enjoy the video. I bought this Macropad around 170 ringgit or $40. And let me tell you, this seller is kind enough to give me free keycaps for me to try out. So yeah, that's a good thing. The keycap set that they sent it to me is the DSA profile keycaps. I never tried DSA profile keycaps before, so this is gonna be an interesting for an upcoming build. So now, let's open it up and let's see what else they offer here. First, you will get this pretty standard braided USB Type-C cable, and then 4 rubber feet. I wish they have a box for this Macropad instead of, using this zip bag. Some extra screws, and a switch puller. Like I said, the seller are so kind and they send me free Gateron oil kings for me to try out. Next is the Macropad itself. It's a 3x3 Macropad, and I really need this for shortcuts in video and photo editing. I like how compact and small it is in hand, and at first I wanted to buy a numpad size Macropad, but yeah, that's too big to me. That's what she said. Man, I like that joke so much. I don't know why. I don't know why. YMDK also offered other kits like base kit, kit number 1, kit number 2, kit number 3, and kit number 4. Here I bought the kit number 4. For this kit, you can mix and match the switches to your own likings. Mine, I got the new Gateron ink box, black and pink, and the NK cream box. This Macropad can be configured through VR or QMK. And I forgot to mention again, this Macropad comes with 3 colors to choose from. Either you want to choose black, grey, or silver. Now, let's listen to the stock sound test. Sound a bit stocky, right? Now let's open it up and mod it. The keycaps here are made from clear ABS plastic, and there's the option for an opaque white caps. Now let me tell you, I am struggling to pull out these switches. It took me like 10 minutes to do so. Here as shown, I am so mad, just mad. Now, unscrew the top screws only, and you don't have to unscrew the bottom side. And for the plate, it is made from CNC aluminum, and it is not as black as my aluminum plate on my Tofu 60. And for the PCB, sadly, it is north facing, yeah. And it is a hot swap as well, so you can mount your favorite switch here. So now let's mod it. For a mumbly sound, I'll be adding the IXPE switchpad onto the PCB. Now for the tape mod. Unfortunately, I have to use this buyback tape because I ran out of painter's tape. I'm just gonna do one layer of this tape. Next, I'll be adding EVA foam to avoid the hollowness from the Macropad. And here I screwed up. Why? Let me explain. As you guys can see here, the plate and the PCB has no standoff. So if you do like what I did in the previous shot, the PCB will be wiggle in the case. Why do I say that wiggle? I don't know why. So here's my solution. I try to use this double-sided EVA tape like a plate foam so the PCB and the plate will stick together. Now let's put back the switches. All of these switches are already been looped with Krytox G205 grade 0 and spring loop with Krytox G105 grade 0. For the keycaps, I'll be using the FA Hammerhead keycaps because I want it to match with my Tofu 60. And there you go, my first ever Macropad build. Let's put on the rubber feet and listen to the modded sound test. Now that's perfect for me. By the way, if you want to buy this one, go ahead. There will be a link in the description below. So yeah, if you want to buy it, go ahead. So I think that's it for today's video. See you guys next time. Peace.